In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect multiple forms to one Jotform table so you can manage submissions from different forms in one place. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace, then select My Tables. Open the table you want to use or create a new one by clicking Create Table and choosing Start from Scratch. Inside the table, click plus New tab, then select Table and click Next. Choose Connect to Form, then click Next. Select the first form you want to connect and click Next. Choose the fields you want to include or click Select All, then click Create. To add another form, click plus New tab again and repeat the same process. Select Connect to Form, choose your next form, select the fields you want to display and click Create. Repeat these steps for each additional form you want to connect. Each connected form will appear in its own tab within the same Jotform table, making it easy to switch between submissions while keeping everything organized in one place. That's how to connect multiple forms to one Jotform table. Thanks for watching.